these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hey Glam Fam, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. Guys, we are at the Dollar Tree and we are going to find something to use. Guess what I found, y'all? Nothing. So I decided to use these LED lights again to create another DIY. Okay guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm reusing these lights and we're using some crystal diamond wrap. We're going to use these mirrored tiles from dieflart.com and we are going to use command strips. And we're going to use glue sticks and glue gun. Okay, guys. So all I'm doing here is gluing them, the mirrored tiles down. And I'm going to put them in a certain kind of design that I want. And we're going to glue them to a poster board. And then we are going to cut it out to size. And we're going to put our LED lights on. And y'all don't come for me about this big old blue spot on the poster board. It's Windex. I spilled it everywhere. Okay guys, so I decided to use these wooden sticks that I got from, I believe, Hobby Lobby maybe, or somewhere like that, guys. But I'm using these to make sure that the mirror don't bend and give it a little sturdiness. Now guys, it is going to look terrible on the back side of this, but the good thing is, ain't nobody got no business pulling up anything in your home to see the back of your item. So guys, I hope you all don't come for me on this part because I'm using what I already have. Okay guys, so here I'm just going to add a piece of wood to the top part just to make sure that it's elevated enough so it will be even on the back side when I hang it. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add some of our crystal diamond ribbon to the LED lights. Okay, guys, so here I am using these command strips, and some of them are old. I do reuse them sometimes because I don't want to, pay for them, and I'm not going to actually hang these in my house for a long time. So I tend to try to use the ones that come from Dollar Tree, but I had these already, so I'm using them. And also, guys, if you are planning to recreate this project, then you can definitely use some heavy duty glue so that you can get longevity. Because of course, when I'm done with this, y'all know I take this stuff apart and I reuse it in other DIYs. Okay, guys, so it's really looking cute right now. So let's clean it up and we're going to get it on the wall and see how it looks. Okay, guys, so this is how it turned out, and I'm just showing you how to unscrew the bottom part of the battery pack so you can put the batteries back in there, showing you how easy it is. And like I said, I'm using hot glue, but if you use something like E6000, of course, you'll get longevity, but they're holding pretty good right now. Okay, guys, so I really do like how everything turned out. It looks so beautiful. The LED lights are amazing. This was a great buy at Dollar Tree. I hope you all can find these LED lights. Adding the tile to it just made it even more beautiful. I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.